Hello, people. Thank you so much for this amazing response for my eye healing classes. And people, and the class that I conducted, I just can't thank God enough and my cute students for. Uh, it was one of the happiest 1 hour of my life. I mean, because basically I enjoy teaching, for my future classes, I intend to conduct it in this place called Phoenix Center, which is near Shilparamam in Hyderabad. And in fact, as of this Friday at 11 in the morning, there's a batch happening, and I've already had a few people calling, and these students who are coming. So if anybody is interested for eye healing, just a 1 hour session, so you can probably comment in the comments below. And truly, from the bottom of my heart, a big thank you. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.